Well, hello there, guys, and welcome. I'm Kole from CADE, and this is another AutoCAD quick tutorial. Today we're going to talk about divide. Have you ever tried to divide a line in AutoCAD into a few pieces, but you don't know how to? So instead, you go onto a calculator and you divide a 6.78 foot line into 4 bits. And so you got to do that, and then you got to come here, and then you got to draw each line to kind of figure that out. It's a better way. There's a better way actually to do that. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to I can't not snap tracking, polar tracking, author mode. It is somewhere over here. I'm just trying to find. There we go. So you first have to go into the object snap tracking and right click on it and make sure that node is put on. Yeah. So let's say I have let's say a let's pick a 12-foot line. Actually, a 12-foot by a 2-foot box. 12 foot by 2 feet, and close it. So let's say I'm trying to divide this segment from left to right into, let's say, 5 bits, because easily 12 divided by 4 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 12 divided by 6 is 2. So that would be easy, right? We'll just keep separating. But let's say we had to divide it by 5. What I would do is I'll draw a line in the middle or anywhere around it. So this line here represents 12 feet, and I'll type divide. And if you see down here, it's asking select an object to divide. You bear in mind that I actually divided this. If I divided this, it would divide that whole line into 5 bits. But I did this, so I'll divide this into 5 bits. So I click on it, and it asks me how many segments, and I press 5. And right now, it's done. But for me to be able to find it, I could either delete it and see the nodes right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And so I could draw the line. Why are you not doing that? Okay. So I could look for it. If I know where it is, I don't know why it's doing this right now. Maybe auto mode is causing this. Actually, I did put it off, so please make sure it's on. Yeah, I actually put it off, so now it's on. So if I want to find it, I'll just move my mouse along it, and there, I found it. So that would be 1 segment, and I'll just copy it from that point and look for the second point, and there it is, another node, and I keep finding the 3rd node, the 4th node. And so when I delete this, it's been divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see what would happen if I wanted, instead of creating the midpoint line I created, if I tried to divide this into 5 parts. Divide object, it's there, and 5. See, so now I'd have to look for the node. So remember that it's dividing this line into 5 parts. I guess it might not have worked. Let's see if we could see any 5 points. Yeah. So those are the 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it divided the line into 5 points. So Let's say we wanted to try a circle, and we press divide. Nope, not device, but divide. Select this object into 5 parts. It requires an integer between 2 and, I thought I pressed 5 before. Yeah, so 5. So it would be, there's the first part there. If we keep going on the edge, we'll find the second node. So that's the second node. Let's keep looking for another node. There we go. 3. 4. And 5. So those are 5 different ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I divided it into 5. So that's how you use divide. It's a very quick tool. It's a very good tool, especially when you're trying to divide something, when you're trying to make something equal. Let's say you're trying to space out some windows, or you're trying to space out bricks or certain panels or things like that. That's the best time to use this. But anyways, if you have any more questions, or if you have anything to teach me, since I don't know everything, please don't be shy to subscribe, follow me, and recommend me, and invite people here. Anyways, that is divide. Thank you, and see you guys later. Bye.